If ChatGPT isn't loading, keeps showing error messages, or just refuses to work in 2025, don't worry. In the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through the fastest and most effective fixes that actually solve the problem. Let's get straight into it. The very first thing you want to do is clear your browser's cache. A clogged cache is one of the most common reasons ChatGPT fails to load. Just click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser, scroll down to Settings, and on the left side, open Privacy and Security. Choose Delete Browsing Data and make sure cookies and other site data is checked. Set the time range to all time, then hit Delete Data. Once that's cleared, head back to the three dots, go to Extensions, and click Manage Extensions. Disable any extensions you see by simply toggling them off. Some extensions, even harmless looking ones, can interfere with ChatGPT and prevent it from functioning correctly. After turning them off, reload ChatGPT and see if it works. If it's still not loading, here's another quick trick. Open ChatGPT in an incognito window. Click the three dots again, choose New Incognito Window, and log back into ChatGPT from there. Because incognito disables extensions and uses a clean session, it often bypasses anything that might be blocking the site. And if none of that works, your last likely culprit is a VPN. Using a VPN can cause connection issues and sometimes triggers security blocks on ChatGPT. So make sure your VPN is fully disconnected, refresh the page, and try again. Follow all these steps, and in most cases, ChatGPT should be back up and running without any issues. If this helped you out, drop a quick comment to let me know. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.